In this video, I want to show you what the Tesla Gemini wheels look like with and without the covers. I'm going to change the look of my Tesla Model Y Gemini wheels by removing the plastic wheel covers and then using the Tesla wheel cap kit to cover the center and the lug nuts for a clean, sporty look. Here's some video coverage of what the Tesla Model Y looks like with the original Gemini wheels with the original wheel covers in the two-tone color, silver and black. This is a 2023 Tesla Model Y, and I've driven it for about 20 months. It's got about 24,000 miles on it. I love it. I like the wheel covers, and they are supposed to improve efficiency by 3 to 5% based on comments I've seen on Facebook groups and on YouTube. I've seen more and more of these Tesla Model Ys here in Massachusetts, and many of them will have this wheel cover. You know, the Tesla Model Y is the 2023 best-selling vehicle here in the US, and I think worldwide too, actually. To be unique, you can take the covers off or buy a new Tesla, because I think the new Teslas have a darker wheel cover on them for the Gemini wheels. The wheel cover is connected to the wheel using clips at each spoke, and then also a center cap. There's clips in the center cap as well in the middle of the wheel. In order to remove the wheel covers, you have to reach behind each spoke and feel around for these two clips. They happen around the midpoint of the spokes, and they're actually connected through the back and connected through the metal spokes. Once you find them, squeeze them inwards, and then you'll be able to snap the plastic spoke out and have it stick out a little bit. You'll need to do that for each spoke and eventually pull the wheel cover off the wheel. Once you do that, the center and the bolts will all be uncovered and exposed. I purchased the Tesla Model Y Gemini wheel cap kit for approximately $50 in December 2022. I've kept it aside and have not used it until now. As of 2024, it now costs $90 on the Tesla website. That's a lot of inflation for you. It's crazy. The wheel cap kit includes 4 Tesla logo wheel caps to cover the center of the wheel and 20 wheel lug caps to cover the lug nuts. In addition, the kit has a lug nut cover puller to remove the lug caps. That's a mouthful. For example, you want to do that in case you want to replace the wheel cap cover for a long drive in your Tesla where you want that 3 to 5% efficiency gain. Once I installed everything, I hosed down the wheels and used the paper towel to wipe off the grease from the wheel. There was a lot of grease and road grime on it. There were also 4 green stickers which I removed. Here's the final look of the wheels with the wheel covers off and the wheel cap cover kit on. I think the wheels look great. What do you think? Which wheel setup do you like better? The wheel covers on or the wheel covers off? Do you own a Tesla, or do you have any friendly comments to share? Please share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. So I'm going to say this right now. This is just for looks, because like I said, I'm going to be losing 3 to 5% efficiency from this. This kit allows me to show off the Gemini wheels for a clean, eye-catching, and sporty look. It does expose the disc brakes and the calipers to show them off, and perhaps they'll provide some air drying and air cooling. I was recently speaking with my friend Simon and showing my Tesla to him. I told him about the wheels, and I showed him the two-toned wheel cover was removable. When he saw the nice silver Gemini rim underneath, he said that they looked great and they looked unique because he had not seen a lot of wheels looking like that. I took this as a compliment since Simon's a car guy. Thanks, Simon. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. This is part of my Tesla playlist on YouTube. I have other Tesla videos which you may enjoy. Check them out, and thanks for watching.